Scrapehead shot and killed in Parry Townsend and hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report and we'll be right back with the full details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The St. Anne police are investigating the death of a 32-year-old man in the parish on Thursday night. He has been identified as Jermaine Logan, otherwise called Wani and Scrapehead, of Captureland, Parry Townsend, and reports heard that about 7:15 p.m. explosions were heard in the community and Logan was seen with what appears to be a gunshot wound. He was taken to the hospital where he succumbed to his injuries. The police have since commenced an investigation. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.